What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and yeah, we back with a different special video. Let me just adjust the phone / camera. All right, so we got an unboxing, pickup, review of the few items that I copped from the Ivy Park Beyonce collab. I don't know what collection this is or what they named it. I just know I copped, and obviously it's for sale. I only copped a couple pieces that I know sold out, which I'm glad, because if it's sold out, that means people do want it. So no further ado, if you're watching this, ladies, as soon as we hit 1K subs, I'm doing a free giveaway. So hit the subscribe button, and once we hit 1K, I'm gonna do absolutely free giveaway. I went to the barber and my goatee is like longer than it needs to be. If this looks crazy, I apologize for this video. Like I said, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. As soon as we hit 1K subs, we're doing a free giveaway. So ladies, if you're watching this, hit the subscribe button, as well as comment whatever you want to comment. I respond to all my comments. So like this video as well as share this video. Let's get more girls to join the squad. And ladies, I always say, I'm single now. I don't usually look this crazy, but I did go to the barber. I just don't have my braids. Hit me up on Instagram. My DM is available. I'm available. So let's get right into it. No further ado. Y'all see the title, so you know what I'm going over. So let's get it. Off rip, ladies. First of all, I opened one. I'm gonna open, so we finally get to say an unboxing. I have it sideways because I didn't take the stickers off yet for my address. So hold up, give me a second. I can finally say it's an unboxing. Let me just rip this one off as well. Mind you, this dropped on a lot of websites, ADIDAS, a whole bunch of stuff. You just gotta do your own research. But at the same time, I copped two of the same thing of what I got. So obviously I'm not opening any of this because it's for sale and it's for women. So here we go. Let me take it out. Yeah, I can't see my address, obviously. But here we go. We got the what size is this? We got the medium bucket hat. I may post a picture just in case you girls don't know what this looks like, or if you're interested but you don't remember, or even if you know or you don't know, people that don't know, I'm gonna post a picture of the denim Ivy Park hat, bucket hat I got here in a medium, and I also got it in a large. Right, this one is a medium and this one's a large. I don't know why there's different sizes of bucket hats, maybe for the fat big head hat people, girls, or small heads, but either way, 50 bucks, but obviously it's for resale. So small, medium, denim, Ivy Park, Beyonce collab right here. The bucket hats for sale. So I just want to show you guys how this looks. Anyways, people are trying to be rude, and I'm trying to film. Anyways, ladies, so this was another thing that sold out fast, but also it's worth reselling, which is the Ivy Park Beyonce bodysuits. So again, just like the bucket hats, well, bucket hats was medium large, and the bodysuits right here, like I said, I'm gonna post a pic right there, boom, so y'all can see the denim Ivy Park Beyonce collab bodysuits, 75 a piece. I got size medium and a size small. So I don't really know what size sells in these, but all I know is if you want it, it's right here, available for sale. I don't know where to sell these, to be honest, but who knows, I might try eBay again. But if I try eBay, I might have to tax, just cause 75 beans. Alright, I don't know. Either way, bodysuit for the ladies. Now, there's really not much to say. I really just tried to get them just cause I know there's some resale on these. So we'll see what happens. If this goes good, or if I hold on to these a little too long, I'm never doing this again, and I'm gonna have to figure it out or sell it to some type of girl. Locally, I have no clue. Either way, I got her right here. So this is it. I don't even know, should I do a thumbnail or not? But we'll see. I'm trying to get a thumbnail with the stuff that you could clearly see it. I don't even know how to look in the thumbnail, but boom. I'll probably put the logo so it can match. But either way, that's it for me in this video for the Ivy Park Beyonce collab, Adidas. Yeah, so ladies, if you're watching this, because I don't know why any guy would watch this, but if you are, because maybe, you know, you're part of the LGBT community. I hope I said it right. It's just I get tongue twisted with those letters just because it's so much to say. But if you're part of that, that's cool. You can watch this too. But I'm talking about just based off my audience. I don't know if you guys are into this Beyonce Adidas collab with Ivy Park, this whole thing. So if you're watching it, you're watching it. But any ladies, here is the product. That's all I got. 2 bodysuits and 2 bucket hats. So that's it for me. Like I said, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. 1K subs is an absolutely free giveaway. And ladies, I don't usually look this chopped. My face look good because I went to the barber, but my hair, I usually get my braids. So ladies, hit the subscribe button. I want more females to join the squad. And yeah, like the video, comment whatever. I'll respond to your comment. I respond to all my comments, so go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out.